Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Western Union. So let's get started. First of all, visit the nearest Western Union agent location or log into the Western Union app or website if you are withdrawing online. If you are visiting a agent location, bring your government issued ID and the money transfer control number or MTCN provided by the sender. If you are withdrawing online, ensure you have the MTCN and a linked bank account, mobile wallet, or card. Now, at an exit location, fill out the receive money form with your name, the sender's details, and the MTCN. Now, online, follow the prompts to select your preferred withdrawal method and then submit the form and ID to the agent for verification or confirm the details online. Once verified, your money will be handed over or deposited into your selected account. And that's it. Withdrawing money from Western Union is fast and secure. For further assistance, contact Western Union support. Thanks for watching.